Hi, good day. I'm Mr. Nonelon Clemente Bagaliog Jr., the owner of the special Balbakwahan sa Kapakulan. The concept of the restaurant is to bring the food in one setting. Paiba kasi ang pagkain ng kada region, kada probinsya. So, pwedeng yung Ilocano food, dinengdeng, dinakdakan, and bagnet, makikita mo dito sa special Balbakwahan sa Kapakulan. In the Visayas, special Balbakwa, native chicken, meron tayo. Ilonggo, meron tayong chicken binakol. Pwede kang pumunta dito kung anong hahanapin mo from the different provinces na mga paborito nilang pagkain. You can find it here. That is our vision na you come here, we give you the original and native Filipino dish. Glad to announce to you that we will be expanding sa Masbate City. The bigger special Balbakwahan sa Kapakulan in the city. You can contact me through my Facebook account, Nonelon Bagaliog Jr. or Ken Shanad's Concepcion. We will create our page kasi bagong-bagong business yan. Pagdating mo ng Crossing Milagros, if you're from Masbate City, you turn right, follow the National Road. Sa intersection ng National Road going to Aroroy and to the left is going to Balot, that is Barangay Tawad. From that corner sa Barangay Tawad, that is about 2 kilometers. Left side kami. The first fish pond on your left, makikita mo, may mga floating cottages. Yun ang restaurant. Special Balbakwahan sa Kapakulan. Our business is thankful to Joro kasi all the time, although ang mga goods namin ay perishable, they are being delivered on time, in good quality, saka mura. Kaya suki kami ng Joro. Salamat din sa Joro. Maraming salamat sa mga suki naming laging bumabalik. Friends from Sorsogon, friends from Manila, friends from Samar and Cebu. Also, maraming salamat sa mga Masbateño na laging pupunta sa amin during weekends. At hindi lang weekends, may mga times na nabibigla rin kami, biglang pupunta sa amin dito. That's why we will be expanding our dining, our accommodation area. So we will be expand more para mabigyan ng comfort, hindi lang sa pagkain, pati sa nature ng ating mga kaibigan, customers natin. Maraming salamat and happy Valentine's!